Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is a very beautiful day, and so I decided to film another product review for you guys. And this is something I've been wanting to do for a long time now, but I wanted to give myself more time to really test it out and see how it actually is. So the product that I'm reviewing today is the Modelones Gel Nail Starter Kit that I purchased over Christmas break, and this one retail for about $52 when I bought it. So I think originally at some point it was sold at $70, but then I think they had some coupons, and so I ended up buying it with $52, which at the time I thought was a really good deal. But we'll get to that part later in the videos. But if you want to see how I review or how I feel about this product and how it performs in general, then keep on watching. I always enjoy doing my manicure, and especially having gel manicure, because when I do like regular coating, it comes out really easily. Like I would spend hours doing my manicures, and then after like 2 or 3 days, you can only see the coating chipped off your fingers. If you go to the store and have it done on a regular basis, then it could easily add up to a huge amount of money in the long run. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to buy a gel nail starter kit. Prior to purchasing this starter gel nail kit, I did a lot of research online. Obviously there are tons of options on Amazon and other websites, but I think I was very drawn to this Modelones gel nail starter kit. I've been using this for 2 months now, and I think that I'm ready to give my honest opinion and whether or not you should get this starter kit. So when you first open this box, you would get kind of a guide with it that it tells you what the product includes. So all the things that are included in this starter nail kit are listed here, and then also, they also show you like some of the prep steps for doing, so they show you kind of the instruction of how to prep your nails before applying the gel polishes, and then the actual gel applications, and then polygel nail applications, and how to remove the nail after you're done with it. So this is what the gel nail kit looks like when you first open the box. As you can see, there's an instruction and list of the items included in this kit. I made a swatches wheel so you can see all the 6 colors included, and there's one bottle missing, which I will explain later in this video. The 2 bottles of polygel nails are here, and one is in the pink color and the other one is in the clear color. So moving on, we have a lot more items underneath, such as this huge bag of tools used to prep your nail, and very cute and fun decorative items to design your nail as well. Now I'm going to start with listing all the pros of this starter gel nail kit. First of all, it includes all the things that you need from start to finish. So if you're a beginner, this is perfect for you, because then you don't have to worry about buying everything separately. The nail kit provides detailed step-by-step instruction and also provide pictures. I thought it was very easy to follow. In terms of value, you do get a lot of things for $50. The manicure kit, the gel nail polishes, top coat, base coat, gel, polygel kit, the rhinestone, nail stickers, everything. It's just for $50, so I think it's very good value. The lamp being the most valuable and most important thing included in this nail kit works perfectly. It also has a sensor, so if you just put your hand in, the light will turn on itself, and I thought that was very convenient for me. I love the polygel nail kit. I thought it was going to be very difficult at first because I never worked with polygel before. But it was actually better than I thought it was going to be. It definitely takes a lot of time to file your nails, but I was very happy with how the result turned out. If you want to see how my polygel nail looks like, check out my previous video that I uploaded. I enjoy the decorative item that was included in this kit, like the holographic powder, the nail art stickers, the rhinestones. You can play around with them and be creative in designing your nails. Now it's time to discuss the cons. There were a few cons that I was definitely not very happy about this nail kit, and it really makes me rethink my decision of buying this kit. First of all, I absolutely hate the gel polish. Besides the fact that I did not like the color selections of this gel nail kit, the consistency of the polish was very thick and very difficult to apply thin coats. Also, because of the consistency, it makes it even harder to apply everything cleanly around your cuticles, and it gets very messy around your cuticle area. So I spent a lot of time cleaning my cuticle area before curing my nails. I'm a beginner, so to me this is a huge minus, as it makes things a lot harder. And I also find hairs in the bottles, which I think must have come from the brush or something, but it makes you have to go in there and pick it out after you apply it onto your nails. So another thing is that, like, I don't know what happened, but when I tried to open up this bottle, the cap obviously broke for some reason. The quality of this gel nail polish is not very good. But yeah, I'll show you the consistency. Like, it is super thick. I don't know, focus. The next con is the fact that the polygel nail kit did not come with a slip solution whatsoever. I searched high and low thinking that I must have misplaced it somewhere, but when I actually look at the list of the items included in this package, I did not find a slip solution mentioned anywhere in here. So it must have not come with it. And for those who don't know what slip solution is, it is pretty much very crucial to the polygel nail application process, because the polygel is very sticky, and to apply it into the dual form and apply it to your nail, or like trying to reshape it, you need the slip solution so that the gel won't stick onto the brush when you try to mold it. It's pretty much like the pillars to the whole process. Not including the slip solution in this kit that has the polygel nail kit was ridiculous to me. How does the factory expect me to do this without the slip solutions? This is very unacceptable to me. Though there's only 2 cons compared to all the pros that I mentioned previously, there are some pretty big ones, like really serious issues that I have with this nail kit, and it really makes me rethink the decision that I make about purchasing this kit, but I already purchased this, so there's nothing else I can do. But I hope that it will help you rethink your decision of purchasing this kit. On a different note though, I actually ended up purchasing a different polish, gel polish from the Amazon website, and I found this Beetles gel polish online, and I decided to buy it and try it at home to see what it looks like, to see if it's better than the Model 1 gel polish. And I was very happy with my purchase. So it's from the Beetles gel polish brand, and it comes in 4 color, and I like this color selection way better than I like the other ones in 4. And so I'm wearing one of the color right now, and so I think it's in the shade right here. But yeah, you can see the other shade in here. Anyway, I like those gels way better than the Model 1, and the consistency was so nice. It's very thin, so it was easy for me to apply multiple thin coats, and it gets less messy around my cuticles. So I didn't have to spend as much time cleaning the cuticle before I cure it as much as I did for the Model 1s. I'm really happy with this option. To close out this video, I just want to say that if you wanted to save yourself a ton of money from doing gel manicure, I think it's best to just buy a home gel nail kit. I would definitely not recommend buying this kit, so please do not buy this and go with a different brand. Aside from all of the cons, I enjoy the pro aspect of the gel nail kit, and I would definitely gonna keep using it in the long term. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I really wanted to give my thoughts and opinion on this gel nail kit because I haven't seen a lot of people who bought the exact same one and reviewed it, and so I hope this helped you make your decision of which gel nail kit you should buy. Thank you for watching. Until next time.